If you are wondering if it is possible to use Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 with the Xiaomi, Poco or Redmi smartphone, then the answer is yes. It is possible to pair Galaxy Watch 9 on a Xiaomi, Poco or Redmi smartphone. You just need to get the Galaxy Wearable app, which you can get for free from the Play Store, and then you should be able to pair it on your smartphone. However, keep in mind that some features are unfortunately not available if you not use a Samsung smartphone. For example, over here we have the Health Monitor app, which as you can see is not supported. We need to use a Samsung phone to be able to use the Samsung Health Monitor, which is of course a shame, but still many features still work just fine. You should be able to, for example, use the Samsung Health app that we have available on our smartwatch as well. Especially if you have the Health app on your phone too, you should be able to use it. But still, some features might not be available inside of this app, so you need to keep that in mind. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.